What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we're talking about call recording on the Galaxy S25 series. Yes, last year I made a video about how to call record on your S24 series, and things have changed quite a bit since 2024. Samsung has done what we all wanted here in the US, and they have baked native call recording into the call recording app. And yes, it's been that way in other countries for a long time, but it's still brand new to the US and some other regions. So I'll show you guys how call recording works in One UI 7.0 on the S25 series. Before we get started, I do want to remind you, make sure you check out our website, sammyguru.com. We have the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. If you guys haven't purchased your S25 device yet and you want to buy one, go up to the orange banner at the top to get in our mystery box program. You'll be able to get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies as well. Just go ahead and tap on the link to purchase here. Use our affiliate link. That's the requirement. That's how we fund the program as well. And then if you fill out the mystery box verification form, it'll ask for your shipping address. And we'll start shipping the first wave on February 3rd and continue until we finish all of the boxes. They do close on February 7th, which is the same day Samsung will close pre-orders. So that'll be in the link in the pinned comment description if you are interested in that. So let's go ahead and talk a little bit about call recording. So if we go over here, this is a backup prepaid phone I have. It's of numbers that I just called customer service to test. If you go into the settings in the phone, you'll notice that there is now a native call recording option. It's right here. And you do have to turn it on for every call individually. You can't just automatically record all calls like you could ACR Cube call recorder, which I showed you guys last year. But there are some rich features that you'll want to check out in the settings before I show you guys the actual call interface and do a test call. So first of all, Transcript Assist, which is a part of Galaxy I, gives you the ability to automatically transcribe every recorded call. You can turn that on from within the Transcript Assist and Galaxy I menu. This will automatically convert recorded calls into text, and then you'll have a little icon on your recent call screen where you can tap on it and you'll be able to find that text of that conversation. Now you'll get your transcription language right there as well, and you can also summarize your various transcripts. So you can see up here, summarize transcripts. Use AI to automatically create summaries of voice and call recordings. If you turn that on, it'll go ahead and give you some automatic summaries. So pretty cool feature. You'll want to probably turn that on and just at least try it. Show notification after recording. That'll show you how long the recording is, things like that. You get a history of your recorded calls. This is a new S25 Ultra, so I have not recorded a call in here yet. And you can delete old recordings. Of course, if you have any, we're going to go ahead and do a test call so I can show you how it works. So if we go here, I have the UPS customer service number. Go ahead and place a call. And then once you place your call, over here, you're going to have a little icon. This is it right here. And it'll say, before the recording starts, the other person will hear this call is being recorded. And so it's going to warn them that the call is being recorded. And then once it warns them the call is being recorded, up here, you'll see transcribing, because I have transcription on. It shows me the call length, and then it also shows me how long I've been recording. This three-dot menu, by the way, is just hold call, start RTT, add to contact, send message. Nothing there of interest to the recording. And then down here, of course, you've got call assist, which you can still use text call to have Bixby take the call, or live translate to translate from another language. Now, if you want to turn the recording off, for instance, you can go here and press this button, and then you see the recording portion up here is gone. It just shows me the call length. And then once I go ahead and hit the end button there, it will say call ended. And so because the call was recorded up here in my notifications, you see it says call recorded. This is the feature we showed before that says get a notification after the call is over. You can either delete it from here, or if you go to recorded calls, now you'll have some information. If you go to recorded calls here, you can go ahead and listen to the recording using any of your favorite apps. You can favorite this as well. And you see here, you can move it to a different folder, trash it, etc. Now, you're probably wondering, where's the transcription? That's not going to appear in the internal storage. You got to go back to the phone settings. You'll notice right here, it says outgoing call, view recording and transcript. So you can see down here, you've got some various options. If you tap on this, allow your call services, you can see right here, this is in fact the overall recording. So you can see here, this, I warned them the call is being recorded. Once it warns them the call is being recorded, you'll see the transcript. It's trying to transcribe what I was saying in the call. It does say the call is being monitored or recorded for quality purposes. You can see that the UPS, obviously it's an automated system because we're calling UPS customer service. It does record their information as well. Because I was talking the whole time, it's saying it didn't understand me. Up here from the transcription, you can delete the transcript. If you want, you can also play the voice recording from in there as well. So you've got a lot of information here. You can add tags as well, just as you always been able to do. but now you've also got this recording and transcribing option. So that's pretty much it. There is no way to automatically record every call. Like I said, the call recording audio notification will not be heard by participants joining or being added to the ongoing call that's being recorded. Please inform them, the new participants, that the call is being recorded. You must comply with all laws related to recording calls. And of course, because the law is slightly different in each US state and also in various countries, this is one of the reasons I think Samsung was hesitant to implement the native call recording feature in various places like the US in past years, but now we finally have it. There's a few restrictions, but it's still very, very nice to have it integrated. I've been using it on my S24 Ultra, which has been on the beta for a while with no issues whatsoever. Anyway, Cube ACR is still there as well. If you guys really want to use that third-party app, you can check out my video from last year. I highly recommend trying the built-in call recording first. Make sure to see if it works for your needs. It's very convenient. Again, check out the Mystery Box program if you haven't purchased your S25 yet. There it is. I'll drop that in the pinned comment description. Appreciate you guys checking this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.